Cloud migrations suck. 83% fail outright, overrun budget, or schedule. And the cloud migrations that succeed, they still take 6 to 18 months, costing upwards of six figures, typically into the multi-millions. At Prompt-Driven Development, we finish your cloud migration in days to weeks and cut 40 to 60% off your cloud spend. PDD's migration automates the ugly parts. You give us your repo and we return a modern, production-ready codebase. No month-long discovery workshops, no army of contractors, only fast, measurable results. One client paying $121,000 monthly on Heroku migrated from Ruby on Rails to Next.js in just 2 days. Their monthly bill dropped to $34,000. Another customer migrated from Ruby on Rails on DigitalOcean to Vercel in 5 days, saving over $250,000 annually. Sign in with GitHub, fill out a short assessment. What is your current stack, target stack, scale and cost, and click Submit. Then you're done. We run 4 disciplined phases: assessment, planning, execution, validation, using hundreds of proven migration patterns. That's how we hit zero downtime cutovers, and compliance is built in. You get the migrated repo, security configs, performance checks, and full docs. Your team won't just see what changed, they'll understand precisely why. This isn't just a migration, it's a knowledge transfer that makes your team smarter and faster. Keep overpaying for months, or finish in weeks. Click Migrate with PDD and take control of your infrastructure costs today.